Here are the parts from Miss Maca. Still
It's fucked up.
crazy dirty after my off-road adventure at Playa del Selva.
Look at this.
Jesus. And we pressure washed this thing for like over an hour.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god.
It's still dirty.
Well, all those are about to be new parts. Nuts. Rotors, brake pads, ball joints, control arms, brake fluid flush, yeah, axle drive train, yeah.
Got so much.
We're replacing those too, right?
Yeah.
Yep. It's gonna be a whole new Maca this weekend. It'll be nice. So obvious, the only thing new here is the shocks. Wow. Yeah.
Moise told me we need to. He will see so the shocks is still good.
Okay.
So you know, you got the receipt. We can just say, bring him a new shock. Damn, you did so much havoc in this damn vehicle.
Ooh. Yeah. Wow. Getting hella Maca repairs done. Haven't uploaded a video in a long time. Been kind of under the weather. Just funk, depression as shit. Trifecta kind of stuff of my mom leaving and, you know, just feeling homesick pangs and having trouble seeing the forest through the trees, that kind of stuff. And lots of menial tasks getting accomplished where it just feels cloudy and murky and not like it's hard to see what's getting done, even though I am doing a lot. Really excited. I've got some guests on the horizon. My friend Addie and her friend Rach coming in next week. That'll be sweet. We're going out to Vieques. I'm always mispronouncing that. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for that and getting my ducks in a row, doing my taxes today. Just got those all finished, which is even more difficult since I made a transition to Puerto Rico. So filing by mail, but hashtag worth it. I hope everyone else is able to see the forest through the trees and acknowledge small benchmark accomplishments, because that's most of what goes on in the world is small benchmark stuff, not these grandiose large plays. But end of this weekend, it's gonna be a grandiose large play on Miss Maca. Good Lord, I'm gonna be a happy boy.